Okay, this will be a quick one, I think. Hopefully. We're going to attempt to get the air filter out because I think it's been, I don't know, 22 years since it's been changed. It's going to be interesting. I'm not looking forward to it. Let me see if I can figure out how to get it out. First step, remove the glove box. 2 screws, 2 Phillips head screws. They latch from underneath, right there and right there. And then the glove box just kind of, you got to kind of tweak it sideways and it comes off those hinges and then slides right out. The next thing, this bar is in the way. Get the filter out. And if I can get in there, I may not be able to. There, nope. There looks like to be 10mm bolts that you can squeeze in there. That this bar should come out. Now, I've seen other people online, cut this bar because it's annoying. I'm going to see if I can get it out first. There's a potential I can't get it back in, which is why people are, cutting it out. But I don't think it's necessary to cut it out for an air filter. That seems a little excessive. But, you know how it is. So I'm going to get these pulled out. I'll be right back. Okay, that wasn't all that hard. So, open-ended wrench works. There's a bolt on this end. You can get your wrench in up under here under the plastic. I think the problem is that this whole center console doesn't move even though you take the side off. It doesn't have a whole lot of flex in it. And so you really can't get your fingers in there or anything. I'm worried I'm not going to be able to get the little screw back in. But it doesn't come out easily, and I didn't want to go any further. So what I did on this side, which has a lot more flex, you get that bolt out of that side, loosen this one, and this bar just swings down and gets out of the way. So you're left with a wiring harness, which just has these clips here that just snap out. Careful not to pull too hard without disconnecting any sensors and connectors that are in the way. This one isn't going to help by removing it. This side either, there's no slack. So all we're dealing with is being able to lift it up out of the way a little bit and see where we can get. So I haven't done this yet, haven't looked. Pop that off. And the top just pops off. There's your cover. We're left with the original. Airflow right to left. First glance. I don't know. See if I can get it out. First of all, one-handed. Oh, there we go. Loosen it up. Give it a pull. Uh-oh. Oh, man. That used to be white. Oh, that's crunchy. Oh, and wet. I think it's wet. Oh. Oh, let me see. Let's get this down on the ground. Oh, that's yummy. That is yummy. Oh, it's dirt, fuzz, leaves and sticks and dead bugs. A lot of pollen and tree stuff. Again, I don't think this was ever changed. Oh, that's so gross. What's funny is when you turn on air conditioning and the heat in my car, it kind of smells like bologna. And you laugh. I laugh. But, I mean, I knew the filter was filthy. It did have a distinct meat scent. So, let's go back up here and just see if we can see anything in there. I'm going to have to give that a scrub, vacuum. Wow. Look at that. 22 years of Northeast grime and junk. Man. It had to be done eventually. I'm glad I'm doing it. I'm going to have to source a part, see if I can get a replacement easy enough, hopefully. And then maybe it won't smell like meat anymore. I try to keep the car clean. It's dusty a little bit. You know, I vacuum it out a couple times a year, but this is the one thing that I just never got around to. So the installation is just as easy in reverse. Throw the filter in, snap it on, put the bolts back in place, put the glove box on, and you're done. So I'm gonna call it here. That's amazing. That's worse than I thought it was gonna be. So slap it back together, and I will see you in the next video.